Your order verification process should catch mistakes before sealing the box and prove it after. vAudit does both. It begins when the automated barcode scanner detects the order ID. vAudit pulls the pack list from Shopify straight to the touchscreen. No manual lookups and no manual barcode scanning. As each item's barcode is automatically scanned, vAudit checks it against the order in real time. If the wrong item is scanned, the packer is alerted before the mistake ever makes it into the box. Every step of the packing process is recorded, from box prep to sealing, with each item saved as a time-stamped image. This creates a permanent, searchable record of exactly what went into that order. All packing videos and SKU images are stored in vAudit's SOC 2 certified cloud platform, keeping your proof both secure and compliant. When a claim comes in, your team searches the order ID, retrieves the video in seconds, and shares it instantly, ending the dispute with evidence that can't be challenged. With vAudit, order verification doesn't end at the scanner. It starts there and follows the shipment with proof that is secure, searchable, and ready when you need it. Verify every order before it leaves and prove it after. Make vAudit part of your packing process today.